That my little shawty, that my little baby, that my little shawty, oh, that my little baby, that my little shawty, oh, that my little baby, that my little shawty, shawty, that my little baby,
that my little shawty, that my little baby. She so finesse, she so physique, she make my toes curl when we get in.
What up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Erica Denise, and today's video is going to be another wig review. Yes, hunty. Yes. So if you're new here, make sure you go ahead and subscribe down below, and obviously if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. But make sure you turn on the notification bell so you can actually get notified when I post a video. So yeah, let's just hop right into the wig review. Okay, y'all, I'm just gonna give y'all the specs. If I say y'all one more time, I'm gonna give y'all the specs of this wig that I have on today. So basically, what the fuck? Okay, basically I got this off of Amazon. I'll insert a picture like up here or something, and I'll show y'all what it looked like when I first got it, or like the picture that I looked at to buy it. So what really attracted me to it was the color of the hair. It's like this, like bluish, like grayish color, like I don't know, but I love it. It had a picture of Malibu Dollface on it, but obviously I knew that that wasn't the hair because his hair was like Virgin Brazilian or something, and this is just like a look-alike. I also seen Glamazon Tay have like, she called it a denim bob, and I think that's what I want to call this too, like a denim color, you know. Yeah, I think that's a good description of it. Anyways, it came a little bit longer than this. It like actually was like kind of like right here, but I didn't like that length. I don't really think it's flattering. I wanted to be a little bit shorter. So yeah, I literally love it. I love that I didn't have to do like basically anything to this shit. You know what I mean? Like I didn't have to color it. I cut it, but I didn't really have to cut it that much. So this is obviously, I don't know if it's that obvious because I slayed the shit out of this. This is a synthetic wig. So you got it out of Amazon. It was like $40, I think. But it is a lace front. So like you can see my part right here. This is like lace right here, and then it goes about a little bit right here. And I'm gonna see if I can try to insert a picture of that as well, of how much party space I have, or how much lace that I have. I will do a second video. I try to say second and separate in the same sentence, in the same word. I will do a separate video of how I fleeked it, you know what I mean, how I transformed it from what it was looking like before to what it's looking like now, and how I make it look natural. You're gonna see me do all the little baby hairs and stuff. Okay, so make sure after this video you go ahead and hit up that video. So yeah, but basically I like the quality of the wig so far. I've been wearing it for like 4 days now, and it has not gotten like extremely tangled or matted or anything, because I've gotten like wigs off of like Wig Types and like, is it Wig Types and something else, like, you know, little beauty supply websites. I've gotten some off there and they get matted like within a few days, like 3-4 days of having it. And I was like thinking that I wasn't taking care of it, but I was taking it off every day. You know, I was combing it from the bottom and all that, but the shit would still get matted very easily. So, but this one has not gotten matted that bad. It's not matted at all. Look at this. And then usually by this time I have, with my synthetic wigs, I usually have to boil them to get them, you know, like less raggedy. But this one is holding up with me just flat ironing it, and you can flat iron it I just put it on the lowest temperature on my flat iron. My flat irons do not have like a temperature thing on it. It just goes from low to high. So I just put it on low, and it gets it pretty straight, and it also does not melt it, because if you put it too high, it will melt. So yes, basically underneath here, my part, I plucked it a little bit. You'll see that in the video. I put a little bit of foundation up underneath the wig, like where the lace is, so we can kind of blend in with my scalp or whatever. I gotta and then I'm gonna have a separate video of how I do my braid down, of, you know, because my hair is usually big as crap, and I'm gonna show y'all how I braid my hair, and a video of how to lay your synthetic lace front wigs from, y'all gonna see me with my braids. I'm gonna put on my wig cap, all that good stuff. So I got a lot of videos coming y'all's way soon. If y'all was looking for a cute little wig, y'all should just hit up Amazon. I was really scared. I was skeptical, because Amazon pictures, like for the reviews, they don't be looking that good, because some people don't know how to fleek wigs, you know what I mean? Like, it'd be looking like a wig, and I'm like, y'all are scaring me because y'all look bad, and I don't want to look like y'all. Like, I want to look like not a cheap hoe, you know what I mean? So, but as long as you fleek it, the wig is doable. And then make sure y'all check out the videos I post after this, so y'all can see how I transformed it into this fleekness right here though. But like I said at the beginning of the video, make sure y'all subscribe down below, give this video a thumbs up. But I'm gonna holler at y'all in my next video.
That my little shawty, that my little baby, that my little shawty.